Pipia, hear me out first, okay? Like, you and I both know Ikit wouldn't do something like that, right? You know there has to be something missing.
Matt, malinaw ang motibo ni Ikit. Galit siya sa dad mo dahil sa resort casino. She's upset kasi tinanggalan siya ng trabaho. Masama yung loob niya kay Tito William kasi pinaglalayaw niya kayong dalawa.
Pia, yes, okay. Ikit and my dad didn't see eye to eye on the casino project. Neither did I. Okay, how does that prove she murdered him?
Are you forgetting na nakita sa gamit ni Ikit yung murder weapon? Ano pa ba pruweba yung kailangan mo, Matt? Ha?